Nestled amongst rolling fields in Trentham, Victoria, lies Winter Creek, a brand new residence nestled in the heart of a working truffle and cattle farm. Towering pine trees, remnants of time itself, stand sentinel around the house, creating a truly captivating backdrop. Stepping closer, you'll be greeted by a sight that seamlessly blends modern design with its natural surroundings. Imagine a large, seemingly weightless roof hovering above an open living area. This expansive space fosters a deep connection with the surrounding landscape, inviting the outdoors in. Sunlight streams through, casting playful shadows on the walls, while the gentle breeze whispers tales of the land. This openness then gracefully gives way to a contrasting form, a shorter, black box-like structure housing the bedrooms. Here, the atmosphere shifts, becoming more intimate and private, offering a haven for rest and rejuvenation. Winter Creek's brilliance lies in its ability to respond to its unique environment. The architects' sense of space, in collaboration with Studio Tom and the owner, Trish Gooch, embarked on a collaborative journey, ensuring the design resonated with both the land and the owner's vision. The result? A harmonious interplay between open, light-filled living areas and cozy, private spaces, all nestled within the embrace of nature's beauty. So, the next time you find yourself in Trentham, take a moment to seek out Winter Creek. Witness the masterful blend of modern design and natural elements, and perhaps, you too will be inspired by the story of collaboration and connection etched into its very foundation. It is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.